Vo the Th Macron Ng was a Vietnamese revolutionary and member of the National Assembly of Vietnam. In July 1968, the Viet Cong tasked her with assassinating a suspected spy in Saigon. After failing to kill her target, she was arrested by the South Vietnamese government and sentenced by a military court to 20 years of hard labor in Con Pound Zo prison. Upon receiving her sentence, she faced the jury and retorted, "Will your government last long enough to imprison me for 20 years?" A photograph of her smiling, taken by a Japanese reporter at her sentencing, became popularly known as the Smile of Victory, a symbol of Vietnamese women who fought in the Vietnam War. She was released on 7 March 1974 under the Paris Peace Accords, having served less than 6 years of her sentence. She later served as the general director of the Vietnam National Administration of Tourism until her retirement in 2007. A primary school in Havana, Cuba, is named after her. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.